How to make taho in 4 easy steps. Ingredients: 22 ounces soft silken tofu, 1¼ cup brown sugar, a ½ cup sago pearls uncooked, 4½ cups water. Step 1. Pour 4 cups of water in a cooking pot and bring to a boil. Put in the tapioca pearls and cook for 40 minutes in medium heat. Step 2. Add a ¼ cup brown sugar and mix well. Turn off the heat and let the sago pearls sit on the cooking pot until room temperature is achieved. Set aside. Step 3. Heat a saucepan, then pour in a ½ cup of water. Put in 1 cup of brown sugar once the water starts to boil. Mix well and simmer until the mixture becomes thick. Set aside. Transfer the extra soft tofu in a glass or mug, then heat in a microwave oven for a minute. Step 4. Top the extra soft tofu with the cooked tapioca pearls and sweet syrup. How to make lemongrass juice in 4 easy steps. Ingredients: 4 pieces tang glad lemongrass, 2½ cups water, 1 cup sugar, adjust to your preference, a ½ cup fresh calamansi or lemon juice, 1 calamansi, sliced, to garnish, ice cubes. Step 1. Wash and clean the lemongrass and cut the ends. Tie it in a knot. In a saucepan, add lemongrass and 1½ cups water and bring it to a boil. Turn off heat. Step 2. Remove the leaves and pour the juice into a pitcher and let it cool. Set aside. In the same saucepan, add sugar and the other cup of water. Step 3. Bring it to a boil and stir until the sugar is dissolved. Let it boil for about 5 minutes. Let it cool. Once cool, add the sugar syrup to the lemongrass juice. Stir it well. Step 4. Refrigerate before serving. You may add the calamansi juice to the lemongrass upon serving. Mix it well. Pour the desired amount into serving glasses with ice cubes. Garnish with calamansi/lemon slices, or if you have mint leaves. How to make melon ice candy in 4 easy steps. Ingredients: 1 large cantaloupe/melon, shredded, 2 cans evaporated milk, 4 cups water, 2 cups sugar, ice candy plastic bags. Step 1. Mix everything in a large pitcher. Step 2. Use a funnel, embudo, and pour into individual ice candy plastic bags. Step 3. Freeze until firm or for about 8 hours. Step 4. Serve frozen and enjoy. How to make coconut milkshake in 4 easy steps. Ingredients: 1 cup coconut milk, chilled, 1 cup vanilla ice cream, 2 large ripe bananas, chilled, 1 tablespoon sugar, 4 to 8 ice cubes. Step 1. Prepare the chilled bananas. Peel it and slice into small pieces. Step 2. Pour cold coconut milk in a blender pitcher. Step 3. Toss the sliced bananas, vanilla ice cream, ice cubes and sugar. Step 4. Pulse and blend gradually until all ingredients are well combined and ice cubes are crushed. Check the smoothness of the milkshake. How to make caramel frappuccino in 4 easy steps. Ingredients: 2 cups ice, 1 cup strongly brewed black coffee, cooled, 1 cup low-fat milk, 3/4 cup caramel sauce, 3 tablespoons white sugar. Step 1. Prepare the ingredients. Step 2. Blend ice, coffee, milk, caramel sauce, and sugar together in a blender on high speed until smooth. Step 3. Pour into 2 16-ounce glasses. Step 4. You can make strong coffee by using 2 tablespoons ground coffee beans per 1 cup water in your coffee maker. How to make bucco salad salmon in 4 easy steps. Ingredients: 2 bars, 70 ounce, red agar, 3 cups water, 1 cup sugar, 1 bottle, 12 ounces, corn, drained, 1 bottle, 12 ounces, nata de coco, drained, 1 bottle, 12 ounces, cooked sago, 2 cups young coconut, shredded, 2 cups coconut milk or 12 ounces evaporated milk, 4 cups coconut juice, 1 can, 14 ounces, sweetened condensed milk, 2 drops red food coloring, optional. Step 1. In a pot, soak agar in water for about 30 to 40 minutes. Bring to a boil over medium heat and cook, stirring regularly until agar melts. Step 2. Add sugar and stir to dissolve. Continue to cook for about 10 to 15 minutes or until agar is completely melted. Remove from heat. Pour into a flat dish and allow to cool until set and hardened. Cut gelatin into 1/4/2-inch cubes. Step 3. In a large pitcher, combine gelatin cubes, corn, nata de coco, sago, shredded young coconut, coconut juice, coconut milk, and sweetened condensed milk. Stir until well distributed. Step 4. Add food coloring, if desired, and stir until color is dispersed. Serve in glasses over. How to make white holo in 4 easy steps. Ingredients: 6 pieces overripe saging nasaba, sliced, a ½ cup sugar, 3/4 cup water, 1/3 cup condensada, 1 packet all-purpose cream, 250 ml, 1/3 cup condensada, a ½ cup sinkers, boba pearls, nata de coco or coffee jelly, a ½ cup macappuno, 4 cups shaved ice. Step 1. Combine saging nasaba, sugar and water in a pot. Simmer for 15 minutes. Set aside to cool. Step 2. Mix all-purpose cream and condensada. Set aside. Step 3. Assemble cooked saging nasaba, nata de coco and macappuno at the bottom of serving glasses. Fill with shaved ice. Step 4. Drizzle cream and condensada mixture. Serve immediately. How to make Lanka shake in 4 easy steps. Ingredients. 1 tablespoon sugar. 1 cup fresh Lanka or jackfruit, diced. 2 cups vanilla ice cream. A half cup milk. Step 1. In a bowl, sprinkle some sugar over the jackfruit and let stand for about 10 minutes. Sprinkling sugar will help draw out the juices and can sweeten the Lanka. This step is only applicable to fresh Lanka and not needed if using canned Lanka with syrup. Step 2. Blend the macerated Lanka in a blender until smooth and pure. All juices and syrup that accumulated in the bottom of the bowl can be included. Once smooth, you may add the vanilla ice cream in the blender. Let the ice cream soften, so it is easier to blend. Step 3. Add a half cup of milk over the ice cream. Continue to blend for about a minute or until thoroughly smooth in texture. Step 4. Add 1 tablespoon of milk, little by little, if the mixture becomes difficult to blend. How to make peanut butter banana smoothie in 4 easy steps. Ingredients. 2 bananas, broken into chunks. 2 cups milk. A half cup peanut butter. 2 tablespoons honey, or to taste. 2 cups ice cubes. Step 1. Prepare the ingredients. Step 2. Cut the bananas. Step 3. Place bananas, milk, peanut butter, honey, and ice cubes in a blender. Step 4. Blend until smooth, about 30 seconds. How to make ice scramble in 4 easy steps. Ingredients. 7 kilos ice, crushed. 1 kilo scramble powder, pink, enjoy strawberry. 4 toppings. Chocolate syrup. Strawberry syrup. Rainbow candy sprinkles. Rainbow marshmallows. Powdered milk. Step 1. Crush around 7 kilos of ice. Fill half of the cooler and then add the ice scramble powder. Then, add another layer of crushed ice. Step 2. Grab your electric mixer and mix the ice. Add more ice scramble powder and crushed ice and then mix. Continue mixing until you get a slightly thick liquid consistency. Step 3. Prepare your toppings. Grab a cup and then pour some chocolate syrup on the side. Scoop some of the ice scramble mixture into the cup. Step 4. Add the powdered milk, candy sprinkles, marshmallows and more chocolate syrup. Enjoy.